Today we're going to talk about 4 ways to save when creating a POP display. Now this video is brought to you by Bennett. Bennett is a custom packaging and retail display manufacturer in Kansas City, Missouri with high-speed digital printing, creative services, on-site testing, and turnkey solutions like contract packaging, packaging supplies, and more. Check out our site to learn more. Alright, so 4 ways to save when creating a POP display. Let's dig into this. Number 1, define your goals. Don't be aimless during your design. List out your goals because every design choice should aim to reach them. If you don't have goals, you're going to be aimless during this entire process and you'll end up back at the drawing board more times than you can count. Number 2, maximize products. The goal of your display is to hit a sweet spot of efficiency with product quantity. Too many and it may fall over, not enough and you'll have an empty display too often and you'll risk missing sales. Number 3, product benefits. You can only include so much on your display before you have diminishing returns. Make a list of the key points about your product and start there. Less is more on a display and simplicity is key. Number 4, the display lifespan. How long do you want this display to last? This will decide which materials you should be using. A great way to design is a sturdy display with a replaceable header to match your marketing. By doing that, you can stay fresh at retail without having to replace your display as many times. And to recap the 4 ways to save when you're creating a POP display, you want to define your goals. Try to lay out a roadmap of where you want to go. You want to maximize your products so you're selling enough at retail, but you're not having a display that's tipping over or has some other supply chain issue. You want to determine your key product benefits because you can only include so much on your display to tell the customer. And you want to think about the display lifespan. How long does that display need to last at retail before you refresh it? Alright, now be sure to click subscribe because we're going to be uploading a new video every single week. This is information you do not want to miss. Thank you very much. Bennett, where imagination meets corrugation.